Just finished priming the cabinets. Had to go in, put the kids down, and grab grandma's bunk beds, the little ones. Again tonight. They want to go home. Our slides are screwed up. You sent it home with us. You said you checked them. The closet slide, the seals don't even touch on the one corner. But it's normal. Our main slides, I got pictures today. They're inches off. You told us it was good. It's not. You're going to find out, Grand Design. We need answers. I don't know if this is a joke to you. If we're the wrong customers. You sold us on full time. You sold us on quality. And it's time for answers. The games are done. We're going to sort it on Monday. We're going to start. And everybody's going to hear the story. So if you want to know what's going on, if you want to know what it's really like, there's plenty of people that have the happy stories. They're posting it. Oh yeah, well we had 16 pages of good stuff and they flushed our tanks. That's not everybody's version. It's not at all. And you better start sorting out what game do you want to play? And what customers do you want? Because I'm tired of trying. I've had to explain to some of them before about how sometimes life just kicks you right in the soft parts. This never should have been one. That's all I got. I got nothing else that I can say on here. So, hey, these things are ready for paint, though. It's coming. We'll give you the rest of the story. Maybe it'll end happily. Maybe we can save somebody else the trouble. We'll see. Thanks for your time.